Hi and welcome back to England Scotland's tuition series. My name is Fraser and today we're going to be focusing on the water knot, also known as the surgeon's knot. This is a particularly well-known knot for attaching line to line, but in this case we're going to be focusing on making a dropper knot. So as we'll be talking about tying a dropper knot today, the main objective is to find out where you want to put it. Now I'm going to be using backing today rather than your leader, but the same approach should still stand you in good stead. So first and foremost, you want to be getting your leader length. So you want to be attaching a bit of leader to your main line, and you can determine how long that should be depending on the water levels and where you reckon the fish will be. So that's fine. And second of all, we're going to be cutting another bit of leader. In this case I'm using a nice yellow backing. Now this particular bit will be for your dropper knot, and it doesn't really need to be any more than about 5, 6, maybe 7 inches at the very most, but it really doesn't need to be more than that. So assuming this is your main leader and your point fly is going to be on the end here, you want to try and work out where your dropper knot is going to be. So in this case I'm going to be putting it around about a foot up. That's purely for the benefit and ease of tying this where we are and to show you. Okay, so around about a foot from there, this is where we're going to be putting our dropper knot. Okay, so first and foremost we want to be getting our bit of leader that we'll be using as our dropper, and I want to be putting that alongside about halfway up the dropper bit of leader, and we want to be matching these up like that. Okay, next move is we want to be trying to loop these around. Okay, so you want to be moving your hand to so that the loop round like so. So I'm making a loop here and holding it with my forefinger and thumb. So this side here is your main line on your leader, and this side is your point fly and your tag end. Now the next move is you want to be putting these two, both of them, round the back and through this loop. Now there's different ways of doing this, but I find it easier to grab them with my finger like so, and then I'm going to pull them through like that. Well, not once, but twice, like so. And I'm going to moisten your knot. Yeah, a bit saliva, and then I'm just simply going to pull that shut and tighten. Now you should be a sort of figure 8 style knot here, as you can see, and that leaves you with your main line travelling down to the knot. You can then remove the tag line that's facing up. Now there's a bit of debate as to whether you should remove the top or the bottom, but quite frankly in my own experience, removing the top one and using the bottom one for your dropper is the correct and easiest and most successful way of doing it. So I'm going to get rid of the top one, which now leaves us with our main line into the dropper knot all the way down to our point fly. So you can imagine your point fly is in there, and then around about a foot up you can then tie your dropper fly onto this one here, your dropper knot. Hope that helps explain. Please like the video and comment below if you've got any further comments or any questions we can help you with. Otherwise, please make sure you subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Tight lines.